how do you clean the inside of your CPAP? For what most people are thinking about, it's not something necessarily that the manufacturer recommends to do. If you grab and pull, obviously your humidifier chamber is going to come out. This is probably the piece that you're going to want to change most of. And one of the reasons why you don't necessarily need to clean the inside of your CPAP is the CPAP's pulling air through here and then pushing it out there. So you don't get a bacteria buildup, especially with the Airsense 10. Afterwards, it's going to blow a little bit of air out through that rubber gasket, and that will come out. Another thing that patients have asked about is how do we change that rubber gasket because it will wear out. On the inside here, there's a little gray notch. If you push that notch, that whole piece will come out. And if you ask your CPAP company, they can order those in for you, and those are changeable. You can change that out when that does wear out, but there's not any necessary cleaning for the internal machine other than cleaning the filters out or checking the filters and changing those out. Every 2 weeks is the manufacturer recommended. You can change and you can wash this out, warm soapy water or water vinegar solution, 3 parts water, 1 part vinegar, and let it soak in there. But not anything necessarily in through here because everything's moving this way, so it doesn't necessarily need to be cleaned.